Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marissa, and I have to tell you something. I have a phobia or a fear of aliens. I know it's crazy, but ever since I was little, I'm like afraid. So let's help me get over this fear and draw a UFO. First, we're going to start off with the top of the UFO by making a curve around and kind of stopping halfway. Next, we're going to draw a line to connect the two, and then we're going to draw a kind of the saucer part, the bigger part. Let's start here and go up, up, up. And I don't want to touch that line yet. I just kind of want it like this. And then you're going to bring the top line down. So there's a little gap in the middle like this. Now we're going to do two kind of lines here that are curved like this. Now we're going to do a curved line in the middle. I say curved, but it's like kind of like a line, kind of curved. I'm just going to darken it a little more. There. Next, we're going to do a line that goes down and in, kind of stop right there. Same thing for the other side. You're going to go down and in, stop right there. Now we're going to draw the hole in the middle for the beam of light. So let's start off by making a curve here, and then we're going to make a curve here as well. And then from these two curves, there's going to be like this middle part that's black. And then from this middle part, you could just color it in black. There we go. The next part we're going to make is another line that goes around and down from the side like that, starting to look like a UFO. We're going to draw that beam of light coming down. So start off kind of in your black part and go down, down, down. Same thing for the other side. Start on the black and go down, down, down till the end of the paper. We're going to draw some accent marks or lines going down here in the middle, just kind of random, showing that there's like a light coming down. Next, we're going to draw some trees. We're going to start in the beam of light and go up, and they're going to be triangles. This one I'm going to be stopping there because I want the next tree to make it kind of look like it's in the front of this one. So let me finish this tree by making zigzag marks. And then you can go all the way down to where you stopped at the beam of light. And then the next tree that was in front, you start here and you go up. Make it smaller than the tree that you made before. And make those zigzag marks again. Go all the way down. We're going to make zigzag marks again, going up and down, up and down, like that. And then if you want it closer to the edge or stop there, it's up to you. I'm just going to close up my trees by making a line across like this. The same kind of pattern of trees that we made here, we're going to put on this side. So start in the beam of light again and go up, kind of where this tree is. So maybe here, and go up to the top. So find out where your edge is from the other side of the trees, and that'll be the point. Go down, and we're going to go back up and zigzag. There we go. This side, zigzag in like this. We're going to make a tree behind this first tree by starting here, going up, down, and zigzag again out. Then you can close off your trees and your beam by a line that goes straight down and across. Close up the tree. There we go. Now let's color it in. I'm still scared of UFOs, but at least I conquered my fear of drawing one. So I hope you like it. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.